till the moment that I'd like to live with you. I tell you what, you see my love for you, it's in my heart. It doesn't want us to be apart. I'd like to be with you till the moment that I take a closer look. Take a look at my face, and you'll see I'm smiling in every place. 'Cause when I'm with you, I know it won't be long. The time is now singing this song. Take a closer look. Take a look at my face. I'll walk through the car, I'll walk through the rain. I'll even take a taxi, also take a train, and the cost of it all doesn't bother me, 'cause I know what I want. Yes, I want you to be with me. Be with me. I'd like to be with you till the moment that I'd like to be with you till the moment I die. down with a drink, everything is alright. Leave my thoughts behind, don't worry me now. The pressure to my mind as the days roll on. Drink a glass of wine and a bottle of gin. Whatever you want, you know it's not a sin. I've been lazing around, all the times can get wrong. My head is spinning round, but you're not letting out. The sky is looking grim, so I better get home. Don't wanna get so cause my folks stay home. Calling out for the shop, seeing my standing there. So on my way outside, I have a picture.
Don't know if I'm ever coming down. Is my mind blown like the leaves blow on the ground? Take a look so you can see. Won't you tell me if I'm free? Free. Take a look so you can see. Won't you tell me if I'm free?
Right, I'm going to make this quick because I ran out of space on the memory card this morning. So having parked up there overnight, I've now made my way across to Evesham, where I'm just loading up now. I'm on a bay. I've literally just pulled on the bay now, probably been here half an hour. They are loading me now for a delivery about 2 miles down the road. And then once I've delivered this load down the road, I'll then be reloaded for somewhere else. So I'll keep you up to speed. I think I might be going to Doncaster, I'm not so sure yet, but we'll see. This is the traditional view through your mirror when you're loaded on a bay. As you can see, the green light is on. That's letting me know that they've finished. Oh, it's doing summer. Well, that lets me know that they've finished with me and I'm free to go. If the red light's illuminated, that means they're loading or you're not allowed to move off the bay. The keys are in the office anyway, so once the lights have gone green, just go in the office and get the key. Don't be confused though, because if you look through the passenger side you can also see a green light, but that relates to the bay next door. always go through the light, take note of the lights on your right hand side on the driver's side. So I'm just going to go in and get the keys and then we'll be on our way. Right, from leaving the other place to get, I've now arrived at the drop-off point for that load I've just picked up. It's took me 12 minutes to drive out, drive down the road, book in at the new place and get on a bay. Now they're unloading this load and reloading me for Peterborough and Doncaster. I've just heard them in the back of the trailer now, so they're on with it straight away, so hopefully I'll not be here too long. So I'm going to keep it short and sweet because there's not a lot of space left on the memory card as usual. I've only got one memory card, so catch you later. Right, so I'm all loaded now and I've got two deliveries on now. I've got two Tesco distribution centres, one in Peterborough with I think 9 pallets and then one at Doncaster with the rest of the load. The first load at Peterborough's booked in for 2:30 and it's 12:30 now, so I'm going to be pushing it to be there on time, but let's see, it's not my fault. So at the moment I'm on the A46. I've just come up from obviously Evesham, bypassing Stratford upon Avon, Warwick up to Coventry, and then from Coventry jump on the M6, jump on the A14 and then up the A1 to Peterborough. Makes a change having a bit of weight on a trailer after the last job.
Won't you tell me if I'm free? Lover, help me, lover, take me home. Hope I'll never ever be alone. Take a look so you can see. Won't you tell me if I'm free? Free. 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 Don't know if I'm ever coming down. Is my mind blown like the leaves blow on the ground? Take a look so you can see. Won't you tell me if I'm free? Free.
It's a fucking shit layout. Follow the lines, they take you the wrong way. Quite surprised that we're only on the bay for 20 minutes and I've been tipped. So, up to Doncaster now. Still going to be late, I think. Thanks, I'm going to be there. 5:30, 4 o'clock now when I need an half an hour's break. So. Right, so I'm now stood outside the RDC. That delivery went pretty straightforward. I was probably only in there an hour. Sorry, the rest of the diary was a bit hit and miss. But due to the nature of not having enough space on the memory card, I'm only 2 days into the run and I've about 5 minutes left. But all I've got to do tomorrow is I'm going to stay in Doncaster tonight, pick up empty food trays from a place around the corner that wash them, take them back to the main depot where I was based initially, then get a loaded trailer and take that back up to the north of England for delivery on Saturday morning, which will get me home for Saturday afternoon. So I'll make sure the video's charged up properly and there's lots of room on the memory card for next time. But like I say, it was about time I posted another video, and I suppose it was a little bit different than what you're used to watching anyway. Certainly been a change for me. I've quite enjoyed the last 2 days actually. You know, I've done two long days. You don't stop, but the work is generally pretty easy, because all you're doing is backing on a bay, getting unloaded and reloaded, or getting unloaded, driving somewhere fairly local and being reloaded. And obviously, because you're dealing with food in a chilled warehouse, you're not allowed in, so you don't get dirty. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. See you. Come on! Come on, Biggie!
My understanding of that is that that's a public event, and so they've got some of the players so there was like Richard's sport in somewhere there. More about that, something about it, there's definitely interest there. What's the interest from just transplant lives, let's look at it here. Could there be a feeling in and around Richard to have that there? Does that level to see there? If I know he's not removed
be at your way in a minute. Just wait for him. Massive fire at a recycling plant. Just pause it for now because there's hardly any film left.